Hey everybody, we're back. What we're going to be working on now is a vegetable garden. Now I actually set up these raised beds several years ago, but I never really used them because kind of life got in the way and sports and coaching and all kinds of good stuff. But now with this virus thing going on, we have a little bit more time at home, and I thought it'd be a good home lesson and homeschooling project for Y Guy and I. So this is what one of the beds looks like right now. It's kind of a mess. We actually had all that garbage in there. You can see it. That's really bad. We pulled all that out. That was horrible. You can see this soil is pretty bad. A lot of clay in it. But I also have some really good rich soil in here too, because I've been composting for several years now. And it doesn't look too bad. Now let's take a look over on this bed. This is what I've been working on for the past at least 2 hours, and I'm pretty tired. You can see it's looking pretty good. And I used this tool here, which is pretty awesome. Where is it? You got it? No.
What?
Where's the action hoe?
Oh,
there it is. Okay, this is a tool a lot of people don't know about. My mom always called it an action hoe. I don't know if that's the right name or not, but what's cool about it is it's kind of flexible and it's got a blade. I need to sharpen this blade. But if you take a look at this is really neat how it works. Like when I pull it through, it cuts through the soil, and I can actually go back and forth and break up the hard ground. Now, that's pretty hard to do when the ground's really, really dense. So before we do that, I use this. And again, I don't know what this is called, some kind of trencher. And I break up the ground like this. So I have this whole bed I need to work on. But you can see that's pretty hard work. Okay, our next step is we're gonna add some more soil nutrients to this one. And then I'm gonna put the weed barrier down and then probably start doing some planting. So, what do you say, Y Guy? What do you think about gardening so far?
it's good, but it's super tiring.
It's really hard work.
Yeah.
All right, well, we'll talk to you later. See ya.